hit you like a wave, and that is going to allow for some juicy thunderstorms this afternoon. It's pretty in Midtown right now, starting to see the sun rise. How about 71 degrees? We're about 6 degrees better than yesterday. No wind out there to contend with. And 71, very popular number from Lodi to Harlem into the financial district, 70 into Staten Island, and we have some 60s down to the Jersey Shore. So it's dry right now. You go south and west, though, there's some showers starting to populate. I think this one cell over Newcastle County, Delaware, that's going to die out. But more storms around the Cincinnati area. That's going to run along this boundary, and that's going to be the focus and mechanism for storms this afternoon. It's pretty quiet up until the lunchtime hour. I think most of our daytime highs will be achieved early on. High temperatures well into the 80s, maybe even a 90 here or there from Patterson right around, say, Bergen County back into the Old Bridge area. And then watch how the thunderstorms start to ignite after 2 o'clock, especially west of the city, in the city as we get towards the first leg of the evening rush. And then this is the area from, say, the Driscoll Bridge, 440 in Staten Island south, where I am concerned Monmouth and Ocean counties could get whacked around with some flash flooding. Asbury Park's an area that got 4 to 6 inches of rain on Monday. Could you pick up another 2 to 4 inches? Certainly plausible with some of this heavier weather getting into Burlington County south of the viewing area. We clean out the storms as we head towards the evening rush, and then we head towards tomorrow. More storms will start to cook as a cold front slices through the region, and that brings us into some nicer air over the weekend. So let's just isolate where we could be talking about the potential of these storms. I think it's from the city, Brooklyn on south. That's going to be the primary action zone. The further north you go, lesser activity. And when we talk modes of severe weather, flash flooding on the table, vivid lightning because of all the humidity, gusty winds. I don't think it's a damaging wind situation, but you may see a couple of gusts around 40 or 50 miles per hour, especially over central New Jersey. Worst of this flooding is going to be from, say, I-78, 287 on south. If you have a Garden State Parkway southbound trip, that's where you're going to run into the rain. Turnpike south towards Philly, also running into the rain. And watch 195 across Monmouth County. That's an area that could flood out during the afternoon. It's 85 in Midtown, warm and humid. Afternoon thunderstorms developing, especially south of town. Really sticky night in Midtown. 73 degrees. Outer suburbs never getting out of the 60s. That paves way to a Friday that is going to be warm and humid, 88 degrees, but beautiful cleanup on Saturday and Sunday. One little caveat, by the way, I think there could be a thunder shower well south and east of the city. So if you're going down to the beaches, down across, say, Seaside Heights area, if you're going down towards La Valette, Seagirt, these are areas that could pick up a thunderstorm late in the afternoon. Really dry conditions Sunday into early next